Thank you so much to everybody.
Congratulations. Let's talk about the masher before this sells out. Red will be the first to go. We also have it in that fabulous stone gray color. Now, why did you invent this?
This is a world launch, right? So, look, we all have mashers, and we've used mashers for years, okay? And we love the functionality of them. This is a brilliant masher. You can see what it's done here to my potatoes in this big old stock pot. You can now mash all sorts of vegetables. So whether you're doing root vegetables, carrots, pumpkins, squash, whether you're doing potatoes like I'm doing here, and you can see we've put these beautiful little holes in that give you the creamiest of mash. When you flip it around, you now have a whole different use. So this is now a chopper that is basically for ground beef. Although it's perfect for avocados, it's perfect for bananas. There's so many different uses for this little guy. It's the first time we've...
You can even crush like graham crackers.
Oh yeah, yeah. You can crush nuts with it. You can see it. You know,
how about an Oreo cookie crust?
It's an intense little design there, and it is on fire. So if you want it, you better jump in on that real fast.
200 remaining in red, and then we do expect all the chop and mashes to sell out completely in our shows today. And again, keep calling us. This is the #1 top-rated customer brand at HSN, period.
And can I just elaborate on that for you?
Congratulations on that.
Thank you so much.
That's,
you know,
that's
and look,
impressive.
There's incredible things.
It's a tough crowd out there, Curtis.
It is. There's incredible things sold here at HSN. Rochelle and I said we want to create product that's going to change your life in the kitchen. Our motto is we want to bring happiness to the dinner table and confidence to the kitchen. We do that through product, and we make your life a little bit easier, and you guys love it. So please, all through today, give us a ring. We have got an intense amount of product coming your way. I knew that this product would sell out fast, the Today Special. I've got a 13-piece set. If you want to get in on that early, you can go online and check that out, but I'm going to be bringing that to you a little later on today.
That's right.
The chop and mash, brand new. We've got a couple more brand new things coming up for you too, so don't go anywhere.
And stay tuned. I'll give you that item number for the 13-piece set, which is going to be $70 off. It's all the same DuraPan styles that you love. We'll show you that to you in a minute. This is the gray, by the way, in the chop and mash. I like how lightweight it is, and I like that it's vertical. So instead of like, you know, sometimes you're trying to mash or chop something in your pan, you're trying to get in sideways and the edge of the pan kind of gets in the way.
Right.
Well, actually, wouldn't it be easier if you're just going straight down, whether it's a narrow pan, mashing, chopping, tenderizing your meat? It works for so many great uses, whether you're crushing graham crackers for a pie crust. Last call on the red. This is the stone gray, brand new today. And I know so many of you love it when Curtis brings in the new, but look how fun that is. You don't have to get out a separate, you know, mixer and get the beaters out.
It's so easy. Okay, what's next? Let's move. I want to get it going. What are we going to?
All right, he's off to the races. We're going to say final call on that chop and mash, $19.90.